chunky. Oh, there's the Frisbees. The lady's not feeling that. Sweet.
Oh, here comes Frisbees. She's showing.
Oh, okay. Thought it was another random car.
Just got stuck.
Oh, that car did.
Yeah. Cleaning services.
Oh my god, they broke out the axe from the case.
No!
I like that.
You guys look silly.
It doesn't matter, it looks cool.
I know, it does look cool.
I wonder if the guy grew the mustache just for this.
He might have. He is a fireman, though.
Huh?
He is a fireman, though.
That's true. They can have outrageous mustaches. That's good.
Yeah, it's just, they're allowed to.
Oh, look, we also broke up the spike from that.
Sweet. I wonder which one Robert's on.
Oh my god, he's got the chops. The front chops. He cannot get wet. He's gonna get you wet.
I know he is. Rush guys. Getting everyone wet.
Okay, we're good.
For now.
They were giving out beats and gabbing one and turning was like, oh,
Well then.
Wow, that hurt.
Yeah, that did hurt.
I turned my head too quick.
she was going to come to the gas lane or something.
Not this.